13 ana ay 13 Ghana cedis 1 liter bia no ay 13 Ghana cedis fatansi 55,000.
For hi Ghana 7 TV GH, message or like, comment, subscribe with a notification so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you'll be notified.
Ye contaminated there. MPP penso no. Omo policy omo de ye omo distribution. Inform oye companies no say eda say ye be oshin contaminated oil no enti wuhia bia oba ebetwe odinje o certificate na wakwa akotua ato aban fotuom na sika no akọ aban ho. Eye former managing director Edwin oba ye sa policy no na odi ye na dwuma say eduru say ye oshin contaminated oil ra say one pia usika amfa nto aban fotuom a depo hokra wo men ho wo kwa wo kita certificate a boss ana bok energies edi amawo ansa na watimako depo ho akwa ama ya kire say wo befa duduo sei no wafa no yeden wo de ko and one no wonder say Edwin ye adwuma ma profit bar box a oja hokoya na nkrofo bi aba wo mu di ni nyafo no obi baba ye mayi director of finance our boss less than a year no akokukuru fie no akoto no fie heavy mansion and wasem baba obi baba ye general manager finance our box no akoto fie within tayifika heavy mansion uhu obeko wachi and wasem baba na ebra MPP free swa ye aponte awuno managing director awuno and na me be mamo evidence managing director awuno buy ye April 2025 slop ana contaminated oil no ye kokko fa ya adia Ghana na ato every oil bia ni wa bok energy etuguo ana ye ma ye fa no free san say ye do man ni sika na toye enti say ya ye ton egi sika no emu bia 40% because say ni say ye ton ni ye sika no emu 40 to 45% ya ye san de koto aban fotuom ni de akwakope oil papa ye den aba ye ntungu ana ye nkowia 2025 April, the new managing director of our box, or any deputy, I will not, any deputy, I say wabonzi. Sorry, ahumachi, contaminated oil no, ye turn Jessica, edema magana nyasom faswono. Ahumachi 3 a.m. No masuma. Vehicles ama mako twen oye no afri depo ho a Ghana ban anya wansiri besi ne omu nanim ba bia afa na se ofa enkrofo omukofa oyiri a wey bako aye 17th April 2025 box gate pass time Ahomachi 3:40 a.m. 17th April 2025. Producer, after the 17th April 2025 say a day ben a memenda ye kwasie da ye fie da 17th April 2025. Ahomachi 3:40 a.m. E bra na ye guso aye da no. Na managing director awuno ono ni deputy akosua sewa asende driver ni a ye friend Abdul Basit ni car number ye GE 2493-18 Akofa compartment 1 of 24 Thursday ahomachemeboa 2025 mo contaminated oil of fire every compartment 1 24 quantity 9,250 metric tons. Tell you compartment 1 no contaminated oil and a slop and a womb 9,250 liters and a metric tons and of fire. We don't find liters. Compartment 2 of 13,330 tons of oil I slop. And two can in our bomber car driver near your friend Abdul Basit tanker car or the cofa oil free bus depot. A car number GE 2493-2018. Oil of fire contaminated as a secretary. Nanka government of Ghana anya kurano. Enye ni 10 million Ghana citizens. Yakofana humachi. Yakofana humachi di free depo wa 1 city anko government of Ghana kofesimo. Etuka compartment 1 and compartment 2 wa. Oyira yesora no pako fire ewo depo ho. Aye 22,580 liters. Producer show Fatuso first wine no 2017 the and Fatuso very good and that hon. Modia yanamo wajuma o ya fire 1 city. 1 city say government of Ghana nya awuno ene nimba bia oye no one ni deputy aduasewa edify. NDC ewo position 2018 ya ton slop and contaminated oil at the good government coffers muma receipt edi one dance here NDC tena kroma say still a Ghana nyere enshi and now numre mi bisa the government na president Mahamadano say on the 17th April 2025 on the hours of 3:40 a.m. ani egusu ayeda no okwa bus depot ha driver near your friend Abdul Basit a car number no GE 2493-2018 eco far slop and now contaminated. Every box contaminated oil, every box depot. A year 22,580 liters. A year tonwa sikako mani benyano. E bro 10 million na mekayeno. Government of Ghana enya 1 city. Managing director nini deputy eni mbabia oil no koi. Na sa oke letter na siya. E chire pefe babia oil nini na yeden. E koye. Where 1 and a show no. On the 26th March, a man for di Ghana bro. Obi Sara no atena ho enam say yamani sikanti. Osi bibi corruption case bi ankoso. Mumisa managing director uno ni deputy akoso ase wa say. Sa oyiru amukọ fire no. Kofese ben no mu deputy si. Omo deposit sika toye a government of Ghana ebenya so mfaso because a slop and are contaminated nti asese moton na mo sika no man government of Ghana e da mo kwa ahomache ko faye ebesi nne 1 person and my government of Ghana ho a wo value a over 10 million Ghana cedis ashe eko wey aye 26 March 2025 11:50 p.m. and adwa ye gusu aye dano driver near your friend Augustine ana nipa oye bearer of the note gate pass box of okofa oil na ya gate pass awo no ma ye man gate pass Augustine ne car or the koye GT 184-09 compartment 1 9,450 liters. Compartment 2 9,810 liters. Compartment 3 4,810 liters. Compartment 4 11,700 liters. Compartment 5 9,800 liters. Compartment 6 9,660 liters. Ukani nyina boma contaminated oil. Contaminated oil. Ye kofa free box depot and a slop on 26 March 2025 on the instruction of Managing Director of Box Awuno and Adwasewa 55,230 liters. Enti munka kureti say 1 liter 13 1 liter biano 13 ana 13 Ghana cedis. 1 liter biano 13 Ghana cedis. Fatansi 55,230 liters. Ye fire at the free boss depot. A honum at the koye. 1 city crying Amma government of Ghana ho. So for so kwachi letter no. Wa wo bi me se pe o pe. Muntie ha. Me mama hun say. Ye woniama gudano niama omo hihye bia no. Ye ni mo. Ye mama hun ba bia de no ye de. Efri ba. Na ye life phone. Asa life phone no mamon fa ma ha. Life phone. Sala ni nyina ye nim ana ye nyane yemfa bibi mra bonten no monka so yes muntie ha page 50 or say strengthening the special prosecutor's role page 50 to ensure that the special prosecutor has the independent and motivation to pursue these cases. The NDC should offer guarantees of tenure and political support by making it clear that the Special Prosecutor's Office will remain secure and independent under our administration. We can encourage him to take bold action. Motiere. Monko he for su kwache ayino. Near president man na twere no. Or say special prosecutor must be bold in prosecuting corruption and corruption related cases. Mpacha a woman na ni ho. Na no Pharisee letters the mo comment section one letter now they buy say they are stopping president to say. And kaya die no parliament ye independent amedi kan ka say President Mahama ni messenger na ne boy any speaker of parliament very Matthias because letter na a free Jubilee House call Mahama yarga ne we ho no ekire na eba ne say na leader of government business eye bill e dey call parliament ya president nyawe nti omo she danum and no say Mamen can hono. Also by making it clear that the Special Prosecutor's Office would remain secure and independent under our administration, we can encourage him to take bold actions against corruption within the MPP rank. This approach will not only serve our immediate political goals, but also strengthen the long-term institutional credibility of anti-corruption effort in Ghana. and Nadia Namahu, special prosecutor, him for no tata. Ye encouraging non-chichi MPP for because MPP for na didn't buy. Until ye man and waho, Nian can't say, oh, MPP for ni masemaye. Until none president de buy or see yet the special prosecutor should be bold in fighting corruption and corruption related cases. Or should the word bold? Page 50. Winning 2024 and beyond. Yet the same statement in affairs de buy. Marie, tell na see. Say that me pay and information in the amoya day. Womutu amana ekokosem eye tetemu meeting ebeba me ho na mama binum wan hin within da me pe e na maka ho asem enye da party ni pe yes da me pe because the information bana semu bet na ho adidi ni partema se say enya da me pe e na me meka ho asem enye da mo pe na ye ko other issue. Producer, I break 1 minute, Mara. Near Metwaso.